Okay, notice in the very back of my fish tank, my chimney for my undergravel filter is just barely functioning. So I'm going to show you how I repair that. So what's weird after a while is these tubes will actually get clogged with calcium. So I'm just going to go past that point of calcium and just cut these and make them smaller, and then you'll be able to notice a big difference in the aeration.
Gravel filter.
I know, and it's hard to even find the tubing anymore. See, that one was completely clogged. Look at this one. This one's got a lot of clogging in it, so I'm going to try to cut that one off too.
Yeah, the fluvial filters and the marine land filters are probably like my favorite filters. They're not undergravel filters, but they're not sucky. Tetra and Aquarium filters are like subpar.
Okay, so both of these no longer are clogged. So now, what I want you to do is hold this right there. Come right here and hold this around. That's perfect. Just hold it where we can see what happens in the corner here. They're just going to go right back down that chimney. And what they will do is they will create that sucking effect to pull, I'm in a root, to pull and circulate the water from under the gravel down through the gravel and up that tube, and that's what creates the ecosystem inside of a tank with an undergravel filter. And so I don't even have a regular filter in this tank. It is not a show tank, it is a tank in a science lab. There you go. That's how to fix that little problem.